Woo, take a look at this. We've made $100 and it's pumping. Man, this is way too easy. Market surge signal is the very best signal. And I want to illustrate how easy it is to make money trading meme coins each and every single day. I noticed a lot of you do not really know how to take advantage of the market surge signal. Like, for example, Wasim was saying that he's facing a lot of issues because he's only able to find a few runners and many rugs. So in this episode, I will show you the secret recipe in order for you to maximize your earning potential as far as market surge is concerned. Hold on to that thought. It really looks like we are about to take off. So this is happening in real time. So let me just add some more to my entry because I really believe this has got some very good room to grow. So as you can see, right, I am actively using this platform. And right over here, as you can see, Laura got the 45th signal right over here about 6 minutes ago, and the volume and the stats are insane and crazy. So did my transaction go through? I do not really think so. So let me try it one more time. So this is the issue that I'm having with Boom.Meme. Remember, this is a beta version, so they're obviously going to be increasing it. They're going to be improving it, and so on and so forth. So I had another buy entry right over here. So while we're waiting for the play to play out, let me explain one of the most important aspects so I can see it's going down. But this is absolutely normal, so I'm not going to panic. I'm just going to keep on dollar cost averaging and just doing what I have to do because, like I know what I'm talking about. So the most important thing that you have to look at, especially when it comes to these market search signal, number one is the number of alerts that you have been given and the previous all-time high. So this potentially could be coming to an end of a pump, but it really seems since the market surge signal is going off, it really means that there's actually way much more room to grow. The other metric that I look at is the number of holders and obviously the stats, which is obviously the bundlers. So the ideal scenario is having a bundler which is less than 30%. Anything below 30% is quite reasonable. And the top 10 holders is, because bundlers can also be top 10 holders. So to me, that doesn't really matter as well. But I usually avoid a lot of coins that have got like heavy bundles because those are absolutely terrible. Okay, so if you concentrate on volume, on the bundles, and on the number of holders, and also on the number of newly generated wallets, like right over here, 8% newly generated wallets just simply means that a lot of these holders is absolutely fake. Okay, but if you've got fake holders and you also happen to have like very good volume, I mean 1.7 million US dollars worth of volume is absolutely crazy. It's insane. So I understand the developers have a tendency of trying to sort of make the numbers look extremely good. So it really looks like maybe we're finding a little bit of support right over here. So maybe I might go in, or maybe I just sit on my back because I've already put in like one Solana. So let me just wait. If it goes down a little bit further, I'm going to be able to get in. The other thing that I look at is obviously the number of tokens the developer has previously launched, because that really signifies what type of mentality the trader has. So as you can see right over here, this guy has generated 3,445 previous tokens and only 15 have migrated. So what does this mean? It means there's a high chance that this particular project is going to rug. I mean, as a matter of fact, it will rug. It's just a matter of time, but that doesn't really mean that we are unable to generate some money. We can still make money off of it. The thing is, we just have to be very quick. So right now, we just have to look out for some other signal. So this one has been doing very well in terms of the market alerts right over here. As you can see, we are receiving each new signal each and every every minute or so. So there are always new plays, new opportunities. So it's very important for us to always keep an eye on the market surge. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, just like I predicted, with the help of the market surge signal. Take a look at my entries. So as the price kept on going down, I started adding to my position because I really wanted to have like a solid entry. As you can see right over here, this is my PNL. I hope you can see it clearly. So yeah, I'm up by about 20%, and I've made about 65, $66. So if I don't really want to get greedy, like I usually do not, because I really love it when I sort of keep my composure, and I just practice proper risk management. So I'm just going to close this trade because it doesn't really make a lot of sense for me to sort of have a lot of hope, yep, and just lose all my money. So I know for a fact that this coin is going to dump a little bit, well, sooner than later. So I would rather take my profits right over here, and $64 isn't wait. Woo! Take a look at this. We've made $100, and it's pumping. So yeah, I mean, making $100 per trade is not bad. It's look at that amazing pump. This is what I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen. Market surge is where you're supposed to be trading at. This is where all the money is being created, and this is where all the fun is. So yeah, let me just take my profits right over here. So I'm about to close my trade. Am I closing? Yeah, I exited. I know for a fact this is going to continue doing very well, but take a look at my balance. It's increasing. I'm doing my thing, so I'm not going to get greedy. So remember, the secret is Ooh, take a look at that amazing parabolic rise. But hey, I'm happy for the day. At least I made some money in real time. So, like I told you, I practice what I preach. Feel free to join the link in the description. It redirects you to my Telegram group. If in case you've got any other questions for me, drop them in the comment section below. However, I'm not going to get greedy. I'm not going to get greedy. And this is the biggest battle that we have to face, especially as meme coin traders, because we're consistently trying to earn more, and a little bit of knowledge on technical analysis is very helpful. A little bit of knowledge on on-chain analytics, and basically just getting to understand what's happening, like behind closed doors as far as these transactions are concerned, is very, very important. So all the information that I have been giving you on my YouTube channel, just binge watch everything, because I really believe that everything that I've been teaching you has been leading to this moment. So if you are not on Boom.Meme right now, check the link in the description. You guys are missing out on a lot of opportunities, and make sure you only deal with the market surge, the surge signal, and your advanced trade. I mean, you can take a look at the 100x signal as well. It doesn't really matter. So yeah, like I told you, this is all I had for you today. In case you've got questions, you can always email me. Talk to you a little bit later. Bye. Exactly like I predicted. Watch the markets go crazy. This is what I'm talking about. Like, I know what I am doing. So we are up by about 124. Of course, I sold my trades, most of them. I'm just remaining with like a little bit of a moon bag, because I always keep a moon bag in case of situations like this. Okay, so most of my money is out. I'm only remaining with about $23 and whatnot. So like I told you, this, according to the stats on this particular project, it's bound to hit 800k, but I'm not going to get greedy, and I do not want you to have a greedy mindset, a greedy mentality. So what I'm about to do is, let me just close this trade right in front of you. So the transaction has been sent, and I have exited further. So as you can see, I am squeaky clean, and I have actually increased my balance right over here. So in the next coming few days, you're going to see me increase my balance from about 4 Solana to about 40 to about 400, because I'm actually good at this. So yeah, if you guys want to be on the journey with me, I encourage you to trade on a daily basis, improve your technical analysis, your skills, and just basically improve your life. Take a look at how this thing is just, oh man. Man, there's actually science behind this madness. There's a little bit of a formula to finally making money trading meme coins. I mean, I might go on and on and on and on and on and on. But anyhow, talk to you later. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you use my link on Boom.Meme. Okay, the referral link is cryptohype, and yeah, let's get this money.